Here on the show, we keep our promises. These artists have come through. They just might be the next big thing, so pay a lot of attention. What we're going to do is they're going to go head to head. I mean, it's friendly fun.
Yeah.
It's friendly and it's fun.
Is it really?
Or it's not really friendly. Are we going angry today or are we going friendly today?
Well, there's 3 rounds, okay? First round, you just show us what you got, okay? Second round, you guys are going head to head against each other, right? Third round, you got to do a freestyle. I'm going to drop a word. I don't know the word yet. But you need to I'm going to drop a word, and you must use that word in your freestyle. You bob? Firstly, though, introduce yourselves.
Yeah.
And what city, what hood are you repping today?
I'm Shinigee, all the way from Kaswa.
Kaswa?
Yeah.
Oh, and?
2 p.m. from Konongo. But I
Come where? From where?
Konongo, but I did farmer somewhere.
2 p.m.
2 p.m.
From Konongo to Amasamai.
Yeah.
You bad guy.
Ish.
Where's the name 2 p.m. from? Where's the name 2 p.m. from? What were you doing at 2 p.m. and who gave you that name?
Oh, one of my teachers gave it to me.
This guy is a bad guy. For a teacher to be a name like that means it's a problem. So like we said, we're not going to waste any time. Rossi's going to drop random beats. They don't know the beats he's going to drop is round 1, round 2, round 3, a minute for each round. And DJ Varosky is our judge as always. But remember, as exciting as this is, pay attention to these artists. Check them out on social media. I think after they're going to give their handles, right?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, definitely. So we should get straight to it.
Yeah. Let go.
He's not your friend. He's sport it.
Jason, let's go.
Alright. Shinigee.
Alright.
Let's do this.
You know what it is? Don't forget to the head, Shinigee. Hey, drop it out, Veroski. Alright. Okay. Hello. I'm going on to sing. Hello. Listen what I'm saying. Hello. I'm going on to sing. Hello. Listen what I'm saying. Hello. Please give me the call. Big ups to my homies all the way from Kanslan. Alright. Big ups to my homies all the way from Kanslan. Know me nowadays, always ready for the war. Big ups to my homies all the way from New York. Niggas always get it bitty on the thing. DJ Veroski, what's up, what did they do? Get it body thing, to the body too. Niggas same face, to the bitty thing. Do hello. Going on to say hello. Listen what I'm saying.
Alright, so that was 1 minute. 2 p.m. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do this.
Energy.
Sembi, let's do this.
Yeah. Rap army. Semo pele femi. T. Yonko. Say you're not the best. Na me ya me pipe. Yeah. T. Say you're not the best. Na me ya me pipe on this and then me Mr. O Jimmy. The boy any me call the yebia na boy bia chimmy. Me poor was MCO na my bosu ne ko femi na nenya me ubane me free chain coy me yes sure so wa femi. Dear God, link me mumu koma ibra. Me so me risu primi daddy she me zebra. Long time hustle me di me te mufita. Nyame Obama me se nipa See we no go for Kate to hear Bubroti a regari a debate. My Dr. Pants a chimney go studio go boni play. Me time for a chimney sign one who did me so kind. Campo more ribaro be you 9 cause yeah.
Okay, so that was round 1. Round 2, we get aggressive. I mean, we throw shots at each other. Friendly one, and watch the curse words. I mean, no swear words here. No N word, no F word. It's just love. It's just about a battle. So let's get in right now. 2 p.m. Let's do this.
Yeah. It's 2 p.m. The rap army. Semo pele femi. Sam Brook. And when me deep in Casamasa, you are dope. My pressure, I'm me, but now it's choke. Who see you? I did you smoke for me and your pay. Nothing I get. A comedy brain and I make pounds on me chest. Me pesa. Sagana rappers in a crowd. Why not that face? If you can suck, manifest. Me fancy with some PM now. Why? Rap wedge, I miss it. Nah. Me free you put me through. Mass. Me here, ta, but to move. Ta. Me tell. Papa, Louis, ye deep na want to see harder. Oh, Jenny, who I will be called Mada. See me, Tio Park. Next generation, I'll be the holy G. I go fly high, no go up sea. Okay, I'm in Penna, come on, I see me few. Cause now you're in your feet.
Ooh, wow,
Okay.
wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Synergy, do it for me, okay?
Okay.
Do it for me.
Yeah. Shinigee on the mic, yo. 2 fingers. Alright, let's go. Call me Shinigee when see me on the podium. Rocking like a legend when I'm looking at the sky. Call me Shinigee when see me on the podium. Rocking like a legend when I'm looking at the sky. Big out to my man, DJ Voice on the beat. Riding the beat, today on the teeth. Black shade, long face, says you had to go. But you on the table when I'm done with this kid. Woman at your age, better have to go to the kid. Best I can say hi to your mom. Yo. Okay. Yeah.
Come on.
Shinigee
Are you
on the mic,
joking?
yo.
Are you
Come on.
joking?
Don't stop now. Keep going.
Yeah.
Hey.
Stay on the grind till my eyes go blind. Back in my mind, I'm taking hand for the keys. Back in the mind, I'm taking for the.
Thank you.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
Okay.
That's the style. Okay.
I like that. 2 different styles. I mean, interesting. I'm going to be nice today, okay? I'm going to be nice. The word that I need you to both freestyle with is iPhone. Easy, right?
Wow, she's been nice today.
I've been nice.
Congratulations, Miss
iPhone.
Drew. You've been very nice today.
Thank you.
iPhone.
It's easy.
All right.
Roski, who's going first?
Synergy, don't
Synergy's
disappoint.
going first.
Synergy.
Yeah?
Come on.
Go.
Alright. Let me see your hands up for Shinigee all the way from Caslan. iPhone. Alright, let's go. iPhone. What do you get from iPhone? It's better to use Android phone than to use iPhone. Yeah. I'm rocking with the Android phone whilst iPhone is with me. iPhone. Yeah, don't forget to be here.
Yeah. Are you ready now? Let's do this.
Rap on me. Some more pele for me. Yeah. I need an iPhone. DJ Virus, put the mic on.
Okay, let's do this.
The rap on me. What's up? Yeah. See. I need an iPhone. DJ Virus, put the mic on. Once upon a time, things say the answer story. Me to one side, drinking you made the next morning. Haters the doctor, I no go listen, go you go pour me, I no go mind them. When I see them on the street talking, you be like, them try not to follow. Go chatting on my reply, test me from Bobo. ECD, take your line, then time cry, you see Bobo. And no one has simple, or Tinamina Kobo, Nionam form besign you, Chimoto, cause yeah. Yes, you trying to hook up. Oh, Ben's now what to the baby way and the coba. Now, me, my bow, and I say, Family so dubba. Someone's so cool, and one, just so yeah, but that Fiona Mokoda. I feel my missus saying you too free.
Wow.
Okay, DJ Veroski, in your defense, not everyone uses an iPhone.
I thought I
Not
was being
everyone
nice.
uses an iPhone.
I thought I was being nice, but I mean, today you guys can't even blame me. That was it was an interest.
So
It was an
we're
easy
going to
word.
hand over to DJ Veroski.
Yeah, this is for you, Mr. Mean Man.
Jason, what do you think?
Yeah, this was rap.
Eh?
Yeah.
Was it?
I enjoyed it. Synergy has a style. Synergy, what do you think? Was it the beats? Was it the beats that put you off a little bit?
The beat.
It was
Please, don't come with excuses.
But you know this is a freestyle, so Veroski can drop any beat. Or next time, you come with more energy. Next time, right?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Next
Oh,
time. Next time.
wait, okay. I'm trying to be nice here. I mean, can you give us like just 10 seconds freestyle, no beat? Maybe let's, because this is a platform to help you shine. You don't know who's watching you. So maybe you are not comfortable with the beat, but you have to show people this is you. So you have just like 10, 15 seconds. Let's show what you can do to the world. Let's do this right now.
Okay.
All right.
Check it out. Shinigee on the mic. Big it on, it's me on the mic. You're feeling my flow, put your hands in the air. Round it on, it's me on the clay. You're thinking I'm going Shinigee in the game. Many don't know that I'm headed elsewhere. Make it in this place, I can make it everywhere. Dream it on, who gets who's back. Rap came from the central.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
I believe in him, bro.
I mean,
Yeah, I believe
that's,
in him.
it's possible. But today,
He said it's possible.
today, my winner is 2 p.m.
2
2
p.m.
2K, hands down.
Yeah, I
and
took the crown.
Yeah,
I love you, Drew, but you know.
I know.
So,
You know,
I mean,
we took it today. We
it's
took
fine.
it today.
I
We
won't
took
I
it
reserve
today.
my comments. It's fine. Do you know what? Thank you so much. Where can we find you? Follow you on social media. All the people out here, they want to support you. They want to see how you grow in the next few months, future. What's your social media where we can follow you?
Yeah, my social media is Shinigee. It's only Twitter, which is Shidi Nation. That is for my fans. Yeah, give it up.
For all
Love
his
it,
fans,
love
man.
it.
A big shout out to all his fans. You know, we support here at MXBEATZ.
Hey,
2 p.m.,
Jason,
tell
it's
us
enough.
something.
We know. 2
2
p.m.,
tell us
darling. I
something.
mean,
Yo,
2 p.m.
yo,
was giving me vibes. He
the
wanted to
winners,
be
let
on
him
my
put the
team
crown
from
on
the
his head, you
beginning.
know? Tell your fans, some of your people who support you something.
Oh, thanks to all my friends, especially John Segar, Sparrow G, Ken Bronzy,
Hey.
everyone.
Those are your friends' names?
Yeah.
Hey, what the squad. But shout out to them, I guess. Shout out to your friends. Your fans. Where can we find you on social media?
Like all my friends
Hey.
who they support 2 p.m. I they come, it be like I hit fast fire.
Wow.
But you know the mistake you make. As you mention some of them, my name, you know, talk about someone, you know, so you go get trouble and get house, right?
Oh nah, the names no be plenty.
Uh-huh.
Ciao. Yeah,
It's
you know.
fine. Well,
The
do you know what?
fans
At 2
think-
p.m., you earned the crown for today, so you need to give us another freestyle or show us what you
freestyle.
got. In the middle
king,
is
the
your
king.
time.
Yeah, some will believe in me. The rap army, T, Bareski, Yanko, Masore Femino Pasua, Quadronico, Wadru, New na so Yami Pia, Namidina, upon and one Jimmy as the same Midina, upon I got a lot to do, rap when you to do, Namo Moano me, enemy to you, I need a tune to loot, Mama me chan, I mean, me rap improve, rap army, I take time to do recruits, when I got gems, I rap up something need for food, and you know, correct, Yami Uti Busufria, made the Kotosre, O can was a Musi and Yabotre, my chan watch it, me the Nidena Hobrasie, Name Mammy Taba Mammy to supper to pray, Lord, you should be my helper to reduce my temper, be a Christo new, but my share that they can start.
Hey.
That's the winner, man. 2 p.m. Check him out. And also, your social media real quick before you leave.
Champion 2 p.m.
Nice.
Champion
Champion,
Champion.
Facebook,
Hey,
champion 2
speaking
p.m.
it into
Yeah.
existence.
Instagram,
We like that.
Champion 2 p.m.
Yeah.
Love
Alright.
it, love
Nice
it,
one,
love
nice
it.
one,
Well,
nice
yes,
one, nice
guys,
one.
that was, of course, our 5 minutes of fame. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back after this.